All right, so let's assume these are my purses, okay? But let's assume these are for sales. You see that? Where's the phone? You see that? You see that? And let's also assume these are for sales. These are my headgear. Behave yourself. All right, as a Nigerian that I am, favor pause. All right, so like my sister here. Oh, my sister is too tall. Oh.
Put it on the top.
On the top. Okay.
Very, very top.
I'd rather put in front here. Okay. Oh yeah. So I have one of my friends right here. Okay, so this goes like this. It goes like this. Did you see that? Did you see that?
If she has to stay anywhere, it's gonna be on the top.
Did you see that?
Cause she's the
And
top.
then you put this purse right beside her. It's time to go out to a Nigerian party. Are you ready? Okay, so that is on this one. So let me bring one other person. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh no, that's the ugly one.
So this is Favor's friend.
Yes, Sue. I don't remember being friends with you, madam.
So this is Favor's friend. Yellow. Where's the
Turn around, mom. Oh,
yeah.
Oh, that one too. Oh.
All right, so we're gonna give this lady a yellow purse. So yellow lady, come on, let me wear you your hair tie. So this is Auto Gele from Nigeria. Auto Gele from Nigeria, my country. These are for my personal use, but I sell them. If you want to buy, contact me, Mommy Glorious Generations family. All right, so here it is. So look at this lady. Look at her. Let me get rid of this one.
She looks emo.
Let me give her a yellow purse. Yeah. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I mean, what else do you want? So you can display anything right here. Or let me put it over here. Let's go this way. Did you see that?
She's staring into my soul.
So look at this lady. Take a look at her. With a yellow purse. Or let me put a yellow purse at the top. She has a yellow purse. And you can use this to market anything. If you are not buying this, then what are you buying on TikTok shop? Tell me. What are you buying? Oh, what are you buying?
Candy.
Candy? Crazy. Don't tell me you're buying candy when your ladies are looking so take away. Like, super. All right, so go get it now because the original price is actually over $300. And right now it's selling for $185. Isn't that cute? Go ahead and buy yours right now. All right, so this is red. Red light, green light, blue, yellow, blue,
and purple.
And then this is to make it brighter and also to change the light. And this is a dimmer. It dims the light. It makes the light to be brighter. And I think that's the highest. So this is the brightest. And then how's this one? Pause. So this is 1H, 2H, 3H, 4H. So that's how long you can leave the light on. So 1 hour light, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours.
Okay, so you don't want the light on.
So here is the music.
No, here's the colorful light to change colors.
Pause. So this one is a different series of light. It changes and blinks colors, different colors. And then this is another set of changing and blinking colors. And this is just to keep it on one color. This is off. This is on. This is auto. So it will just keep changing on its own, which is very cool. What else have we? Okay, this is speed. You want to slow down the speed? I'd rather slow down the speed. I love it this way. What do you think? So you can as well make it to speed up. So tell me, which one do you fall in love with? Let me show you. All right, I've shown you everything you need to see. What do you think about this product? I would say go ahead and buy yours now because you can arrange anything in here. I have a plan for this thing and you get to know later when the plan is done. But you can make this your shoe rack, you can make it your bag rack, you can make it a mixture of whatever you want to put there. But you know, of course, that this is so beautiful and you have to put something that is very catchy and beautiful. So like purses, All right, let me quickly take you through. These are all of how we started putting all this up. It was a serious work. I put everything on my son and my daughter because I had so many other things to do. Well, children, they always do not want to work. They always do not want to, sometimes they don't want to help you. You just have to tell them you have to, You have to help mama because mama has other things to do. Has a lot of things to do. So sincerely, the package is complete. Everything you need is in there. The only thing I would just say is that if you have extra screwdriver, get it ready because the screwdriver they brought was kind of a short one and my son needed a bigger one. Like everything you need is actually there. Just that my son preferred to use the one that we have at home. So you're also going to need a tape, the one they use in measuring yard. So we got that and we use that as well. But everything you need is there. It's going to take a while. My son is this type that takes his time to do stuff. So I was not really putting eyes on whenever they finish. Like I expected them to finish yesterday that we started. But they couldn't finish because they were, pushing it to each other. You have to do it, you have to do it. So you can see all of these holes. So it also comes with a lot of, I've shown you so many things that this comes with. It comes with remote. We're still going to put all that up. And guess what? That's going to brighten up this place. So this is going to be covering all of these parts. Like this. Do you see that? That will make it to be so cute. So you see this? It took 2 days because actually I did not do anything on this. Like I wasn't the one that put this up. My children did. Okay. They worked on this for 2 days because they had to start in the evening when they come back from school. But seriously, it's not that hard to do. You just have to put your mind, study the book. Hold on. Here, when I say study the book, of course, I'm talking about manual. So here, every step, everything is been, numbered and labeled. So you just have to follow. It was a bit hard, a bit, not bad. Because you have to do it, you have to read and understand. You could make a mistake and you have to unscrew and then screw again. So you have to take your time. So here is the remote and all of that. And these are the lights that come with it. Guess why I love this? I bought it because of lights, okay? I bought it because of the lights, because it's not just a shoe rack, but it's a lightning one. And this is not just shoe or book rack. I'm using this for something better. And what is that? We'll figure it out. You can use it to display your business and do any other thing. So watch out for the concluding part of this. Chala! All right, so this is how you fix the lights in. And like that. And all the tools have been included. So I'm going to be changing. They have their own kind of screw that you have to put there and then screw it in. It's a lot of work actually, but it's a work that you have to be very patient, to put each part together so you don't make mistakes. It has been numbered. Then these are the holes, and this sticker came with the package. So you put the sticker to cover all of the holes. So every little hole that were there, we use sticker to cover them all up. And that's it. So let me guess, the only reason you're not going to order this right now is probably because you do not appreciate something beautiful. But I believe you do. So put this in your cart and order it right now, because the original price is actually over $300, and you will see right there. So the orange cart you are seeing right below this video, just click on it and then put this in your cart so you will not forget. Order this right now and let me know what you think about it.